This video is brought to you by Bridge Gap. Daily case studies, practice questions, and more, to help you switch to digital career profiles. And now, here is the case study of the day.
So the reason that so many marketers are actually so frustrated with WhatsApp is that you cannot reach out to people at scale on WhatsApp. So what that means is you can of course message people on a one-to-one basis, but you cannot message say like 50 people on WhatsApp if you get their numbers, right? And this is really permission marketing at its core. If you look at if you look at SMS, if you look at the way Facebook works, if you look at email, it is possible to reach out to people, right, at scale, right? And that's why these channels have been leveraged so much by marketers, and that is why these channels there is a lot of resentment which among the audience with respect to the people who are using these mediums, right? And WhatsApp has really retained that status. People enjoy using WhatsApp. People are always on WhatsApp, and that the reason is that marketers are not able to reach out to them. So, given this, how should a business owner or a marketing manager really look at WhatsApp? Now, the way I like to think about this is that there are two levels here. The first level is using the native features of WhatsApp in the manner in which it is supposed to be used. So broadcasts and groups. So for example, groups is something which if group is meant for scenarios where you believe that a lot of to and fro and interactive conversations are going to happen. So there's no use making a group where actually a broadcast channel would have been sufficient, right? So that's level one. Using the native features in the manner in which it is supposed to be done. Then comes level two, which is really where a lot of the effectiveness of WhatsApp marketing can really come in. And level two is all about combining other digital marketing tactics with WhatsApp, right? So if you just think about it, WhatsApp is a messaging platform, right? And it should be just the idea is that you should use it for what it is. So you should use it when people have given you the approval, to message them. And where do you get the approval, or where do you get the visibility of people at large? That is outside WhatsApp. And then there are a few ways in which you can do that. You can use email marketing and reach out to people, and then get them onto WhatsApp. You can get people on your website onto WhatsApp, or you can even run Facebook ads. Today you can run Facebook ads, and the call to action can actually take them to WhatsApp. So that's really where a lot of the effectiveness in WhatsApp marketing happens, when you actually reach out to your target audience outside WhatsApp. You get them onto WhatsApp, and you use WhatsApp for what it is, which is which is a messaging platform, and that's how you use it. Okay, so coming to today's case study task of the day, and we have it is for Manyavar. Okay, so Manyavar is actually among the most visible and well-known names when it comes to traditional wear, and they have a chain of retail outlets all over India. There are some very heavy-duty brand ambassadors, a lot of Bollywood movie stars. And okay, so what you have to do is this. You imagine you are you have to make a plan for WhatsApp marketing at two levels. One is at the level of a store manager, right? And given whatever we discussed, what are the things? How does the plan look at the store manager's level, and how does the plan look at the head office level? So you can have a look at the website of Manyavar, get an understanding of the business. See if you have some ideas about how they can actually reach out to people outside WhatsApp, and then get people onto WhatsApp and start the conversations. So let that be the focus of thought, and that's really the case study of the day. Thank you.